In India, pulses such as chickpeas, lentils, and pigeon peas are a major source of protein and complex carbohydrates and have generally been affordable for consumers. Pulses are useful for farmers too because they improve soil health and help to increase soil fertility.
The main problem with the pulses is the price volatility. So when there is enough production, the prices are crashing down, and if there is a scarcity, prices are skyrocketing.
Rising prices for pulses are making this key protein source less affordable, so consumers are eating fewer pulses and diets have become less healthy.
We need to see that how we can stabilize prices of pulses. It should benefit farmers, also the consumers.
Pulses are risky because pulses are susceptible to disease and insect infestation.
So it's a very highly risky commodity. Pulses are responding more to the weather kind of situation, distribution of rainfall, droughts, irrigation. So the non-price factors are more important for increasing pulse production. Government was preparing for procurement, but it appears that in many of the markets, government has not made enough arrangements for procuring pulses, so the prices crashed down.
ये के युग के अनुसार से अभी कोई भाव नहीं मिल रहा है गल्ला को।
रेट तो सही लगता नहीं। जहाँ रेट दाल का अगर होना चाहिए वो रेट तो नहीं लग रहा है मसूर का, उससे भी डाउन चला गया। तो क्या करेगा, पूंजी में जरी मनी अन्य उन्हें फायदा होता है तो होता है, नहीं तो नहीं होता है, लग जहाँ तक घटे जाता है।
We have a decoupling of the production consumption centers. Production centers have moved from north to south, east to west. Concentration in the center, and previously it used to be produced and consumed at the same place. So it also means that the importance of getting the supply chain right has really gone up over time. That really compounds the problem here, because you need all of them to do well at the same time.
This year, government has launched 150 seed hubs. So they will produce seeds of improved varieties. These varieties have potential to increase production. And we are proposing that we incentivize our farmer producer organization. Is an important institutional arrangement where if the farmer are producing pulses together and they can access to improved seeds, fertilizer, good knowledge about production processes. It helps from two angles. One, it reduces their production cost, increase productivity, increase income at that level, and when they are contracting the market chain, so the market cost is coming down. Also they brand pulses and brand directly, taking advantage of the higher retail prices. IFPRI has taken up lots of studies on pulses. Last year was International Year of Pulses, so we started our studies before that, so that we can contribute significantly.
We worked with a special committee headed by the Chief Economic Advisor to redesign the support prices for pulses. We worked very closely with Ministry of Finance when it was entrusted with coming up with a new pricing policy for pulses. It was to do a redesign to create a support price system for pulses which actually reward pulses for the environmental services that it provides, what they do in terms of soil health and fertilizer subsidy burden that they reduce.
And then we'll start fixing prices. I'm sure that the farmer will benefit out of this kind of recommendation which we have made.
IFPRI's research and policy recommendations are helping the Government of India devise better strategies to stabilize the price of pulses so that this important food will be less risky for farmers to grow and more affordable for consumers to buy.